So next up, guys, got a nice unit here. So this is a unique Jeep. This is a 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, but it's kind of outfitted with quite a bit of aftermarket stuff. So it's got obviously light bars, aftermarket headlights, big light bar up front. You got a winch, rubber's all good. I mean, good tires, aftermarket rims. Sits high off the ground, guys. It's got a snorkel kit. It's got official racing shocks, suspension and shock system. It's kind of set up to go off-road and kind of rock climbing and all those things. But get on the interior, guys. The interior's clean. Heat, AC, radio. Obviously, it is four-wheel drive. Only 118,000 miles. It's got 3.8 liter V6 gas motor, but you'll have a lot of pictures of it. Local consigner, only selling it. He just doesn't use it as much as he thought he would. So I'm here with Garrett. He'll fire it up and give you a nice demo. Starts up easy, guys. Yeah, if you're in the market for a Jeep or even like a side-by-side UTV type machine that you can do all your trail riding, off-roading in this, and then drive it down the road. It's obviously a regular vehicle too, so pretty uniquely to be set up like that. It runs nice and quiet. So there's the demo, guys, on the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, set up with the off-road package, snorkel kit. You can take it fully submerged. Got the rock climbing shocks, so big winch. So good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions. Real nice machine.